Hi students, welcome to ChemShot. Today we are discussing the topic, it is the continuation of that topic, expressing the different methods of concentration. Okay, so here now molarity. What is molarity? It is the number of moles of solute in 1 liter of a solution. That is number of, have to concentrate this term, this number of moles of solute in 1 liter of solution. That is 1 liter in 1 liter of solution. Okay, it is the number of moles of solute in 1 liter of solution. What do you mean by 1 liter? That is importance in this molarity. So many students are confused of this 1 liter. So let's revise the topic once again. That is, what is molarity? The number of moles of solute in 1 liter of a solution. We are discussing about only for 1 liter of a solution. That is, in 1 liter of a solution, how much mole is present, or number of moles of solute present in a 1 liter of solution. That is, in 1 liter solution, what is the number of moles of solute present? That is called the molarity. Okay, nothing more than that. That is, it is only the number of moles of solute in 1 liter of the solution. That is only about 1 liter. Just listen that in 1 liter. If in the problematic section, if you are given instead of 1 in liter, milliliter, you have to convert it. Okay, don't forget to convert that milliliter into liter. So molarity means what? In 1 liter of a solution, number of moles present. So this is the equation denoting molarity can be denoted by capital letter M, and the number of moles of solute by volume of solution in liter. Okay, how to calculate molarity? The number of moles of solute by volume of solution in liter. Okay, let us discuss what is the unit of molarity. Mole per liter. That is number of moles, mole per liter, or molar, or else we can express in molar. Okay, fine. Now next, for example, we can calculate this molarity by two methods. By conceptual method, by using conceptual method means by using the concept of molarity, and also we can calculate this by using this formula, that is this formula. Okay, so let's see. For 3 ml NaCl, what does this means? 3 m NaCl, 3 molar NaCl, that is molarity means 3. Okay, that is 3 mole NaCl in 1 liter solution. Okay, 3 mole NaCl in 1 liter solution. And for the 6 mole NaCl in 2 liter of solution, how many, what is the molarity of this solution? 6 moles present in 2 liter of solution. What is the molarity? That is, we are only calculating what? For molarity in liter, per liter, that is in 1 liter of a solution, number of moles of solute present. So for 6 mole there is 2 liter, and for 1 liter how many moles? 3. That is 3 is the molarity for this statement also. Okay, and also for 1.5, what about 1.5 mole NaCl in 500 ml? Let's see. 1.5 mole NaCl is present in 500 ml. Okay, that is 500 ml. In 500 ml, 1.5 is present, and this can be converted into 1000 liter. Okay, only here 500 ml 1.5, and in 1000 liter how many? Is 1.5 into 2. 1.5 into 2, that is equal to 3. Okay, this in 500 ml 1.5, then in 1000 liter, that is the double of 1.5, that is 3. This we are calculating only number of moles in liter of a solution, that is per liter. In liter, what is the amount of number of moles of solute? That is the molarity actually. So many students get confused about this. For calculating, it's very easy to calculate the molarity if the concepts are very clear. Okay, first you have to concentrate on the concept, and then you try to do problems and the conversion. Focus the conversion. Okay, if 2 mole NaCl is added to 250 ml solution, that is, if we take 250 ml NaCl, not NaCl, 250 ml solution, okay, or water, I'm adding NaCl. How many? 2 moles. 2 moles of NaCl. Then what is the molarity? What is the molarity? Molarity means number of moles of solute, that is 2 here, by volume in liter. You have to calculate the volume in liter. So you have to change this milliliter into liter, that is 250 into 10 raised to minus 3. Okay, that means what? 250 divided by 1000. Okay, that means what? 250 divided by 1000. That is, to convert milliliter into liter, you have to divide by 1000. Okay, then you got this answer. This is the problem method, that is by using the formula. Okay, by using formula you have to calculate like this. By using conceptual method, by using concept, you can calculate it like this. It is the number of moles in 250 ml is given for you. For 250 ml, you have given 2 mole. And for 500 ml, how many mole is present? It is double of 2, that is 4 mole. And in 1000 ml, how many moles are present? The double of 4, that is 8. Okay, like this you can calculate the molarity of a solution. So here, if 2 mole NaCl is added to 250 ml solution, what is the molarity? So 2 mole is added to 250 ml solution. Okay, 250 ml solution, 2 mole. Then for 500, how many mole? 4. And for 1000, how many? 8. Okay, fine. Likewise, you can calculate by using concept. Don't write this formula and substituting. So 8 molarity. 8 is the molarity. Now next question, the number of moles of ammonia required to prepare 250 ml 4 molar aqueous NH3 solution, ammonia solution. So for this type of problem, what is the, here you were given the number of not given the number of moles of ammonia required to prepare 250 ml 4 molar aqueous ammonia solution. Okay, I'm asking you, you have to calculate this problem by using concept method. How will you calculate this problem by using conceptual method? It is 4 molar aqueous ammonia solution. 4 molarity means what? 4 moles are present in 1 liter of a solution. That means 1000 minute. There's 4 molar here means 4 molar means 4 moles in 1000 ml solution. Okay, 4 moles in 1000 ml solution. Now next 4 moles are present in 1000 ml solution. So that in 500 ml, how many moles are present in 500 ml? That is, in 500 ml, how many moles are present? That is 4 mole means 4 moles are present in 1000 ml. Okay, that is for 750 ml, how many moles are present? How many moles? It is 3 mole. And also for 500 ml, how many moles? 2 mole. And in 100 ml, not in 100 ml, 250 ml, 1 mole. It is by conceptual method. Okay, it is for one here. 4 mol here, molarity is 4m means what? In liter of a solution. It is 1 liter means what? 1000 milliliter. Okay, fine. So in 1 liter of a solution, 4 molarity, 4m means 4 mole is present in 1000 m. So by conceptual method, we are calculating like this. That is 4 molarity, 4m means 4 mole in 1000 ml. That is for 4 250, 250 plus 250 plus 250 plus 250 equal to 100,000. Okay, equal to 1000. So we are dividing that mole, one mole here, 1 mole here, 1 mole here. Okay, fine. This 1 mole is in 250 ml. In 250 ml, 1 mole is present. That is, molarity means 1 is the molarity. That is, here we want to calculate that number of moles of ammonia required to prepare 250 ml. Okay, 250 ml 4 molar solution we have to prepare. That what is the number of moles present? How will you calculate? That is by using conceptual method. And also we have another method, that is molarity equal to what? Number of moles by volume in liter. That is, and number of moles equal to what? Molarity into volume. That is, here molarity is 4 into what? 250, that is ml. We have to divide it by 1000, that is 10 raised to minus 3. So you're getting the answer. Okay, this 1000 into 10 raised to minus 3, that is equal to 1 is the answer. Okay, fine. So if you have any doubts regarding this topic, you can comment. Okay.